name is Roxy and today I'm here with
David Erick Ramos.
And we're gonna learn the theme song of the channel!
Woo! There's a girl I know from Italy, moved to LA to follow her dreams.
And today we're gonna learn how to play it with the ukulele! I'm so excited. So grab your ukulele, make it sound right. And then play with us. Wait, we didn't say that you made the song.
Nope.
And by the way, he made this song for my birthday! So that's why he's gonna teach us. Okay, what do we do? Tell me it's easy. Also, disclaimer, I don't know how to play this. Just saying.
But the chords are really easy.
Yay.
They're not complicated, and they're probably the first chords that most people learn anyway.
Fantastic. G. C.
E minor. D. So in order, it would sound like this. G. C. E minor. And D.
Yay!
Nice. Now we need to learn the strumming pattern.
Oh man.
So
Okay,
like
wait a
this.
second. So the chords are always the same,
Yes.
but the three parts differ in strumming patterns.
A little bit, yes.
That's it? That's the difference?
Mhm.
Okay. So I'm so nervous because I'm so bad at this. Okay, go.
This first part's really easy. So it's just, we're just gonna practice on the downbeats.
Yeah.
Just wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. E minor. 2, 3, 4. D. Yep.
Oh, that's it?
Just practice that because
Oh,
we're
the chords.
we're gonna build up to it. 2, 3. C. Yeah. Then E minor. Yep. Good. Then D. And again. 3, 4. 2, 3. E minor. 2, 3, and D. Good. Now that's the first part, but actually you play the chords 2 times. So like this. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Good. C. Yep. E minor. 2, 3, D. Excellent. Yeah.
I'm so good.
4. There's a girl I know from Italy, moved to LA to follow her dreams. Now she makes videos every week to share all the things that make her happy. Good job.
So it's tan tan, tan 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 tan.
Yeah.
This is how you teach people that don't know beat stuff. They just make the sound.
Good.
Don't metronome me. So the sound that you have to follow is tan tan, tan 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 tan,
Yes.
tan tan. Do that one.
Nice. Yeah.
Good luck now with the chords.
1, 2, 3, 4. C, then E minor.
Okay, so tan tan, tan 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 tan.
Yes.
And pause. Tan tan, tan 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 tan.
Yep, exactly.
Fantastic, fantastic. I know. The easy guys. You guys can do it.
Let's do it together at the
Okay.
regular speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. E minor. D.
So good.
4. Loves to try food, make her cosplays, video games, and watch anime. Roxy rockers know where to find the happiest channel on earth. It's...
Fantastic! So that one was part 2.
That was part 2. So for the chorus, it's basically the same thing, but I'm making percussion sounds with my while meeting the strings. So it sounds like
Okay.
this.
Okay. Okay.
This is really hard. So this is just like if you're feeling really adventurous and you want to
You can
practice
do
it. But I'm really confident you could do this.
Sure.
First, let's just practice the strumming part.
Okay.
It's like this.
You go up and down.
So it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a... Yay! You got it.
Boring.
Right now, but when you add the chords, it's gonna sound cool.
Okay, faster.
Okay.
Because it's faster, right?
It's like...
No. Do that one.
Do what one?
Do
That's
what one?
that tempo?
And I'm trying to copy it.
Okay.
You don't believe in me.
I do believe in you, but I believe we should start slower.
Okay, let's do it slower then. Do the chords, and I try to... No, don't do the chords. Because I have to understand the sound. Except
It's
for the
like-
chords. So
it's-
it's tan tan. No, tan tan.
Bam, 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 bam.
So it's just like tan 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 tan. Okay, that's the beat. Okay, so the beat is tan tan ta 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 tan tan ta 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 tan tan. It's like that.
It is, but no one's gonna follow that.
Of course! If you can hear it in your mind, you can play it. So this is what I'm gonna focus on. See, if you can hear it in your mind, you can do it. Pam pam para 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 pam pam para 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 pam pam para 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 pam 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 para 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 pam 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 para 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 pam 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 para 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 pam 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 pam. So good. See? See? Now let's add the chords.
There's a special technique called muting
Muting!
to this. And then back down. Boom. Yes. E minor. D. Go.
Tan 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 tan. Wait, 3. Not fast enough. Tan tan tan. Ah! No.
G.
Oh, can do it. Go. With a lipstick.
Not with that attitude.
True. Tan tan tan. One.
C, C, D, E, C, C.
Okay, almost, guys. I need a break.
Roxy Rocks TV, Roxy Rocks TV. You are watching Roxy Rocks TV.
We can do this, guys.
Dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. G G C C C C minor E E D. 3 hours later. Just put that.
3 hours later.
3 hours later.
C and C again. E D.
I did it once.
You did do it once.
They have it.
Actually,
It's in the record.
good job. Roxy Rocks TV, Roxy Rocks TV. You are watching Roxy Rocks TV, Roxy Rocks TV. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Close enough! Okay, so now, if you want to play the whole song, play the trailer and you play along. I need a little bit more practice. But that's it! I hope you guys like this video. Now, try to play the song. Film yourself. Tag us in your videos on Instagram, Twitter, whatever you want. Download the song. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. And also, go on his channel and subscribe because he's almost at 250.
Yes,
250,000
150,000.
250,000 subscribers! And comment his video with the word food. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share it with all of your friends, and see you guys next time. Bye!
I want to see how you edit this down.
It's gonna take forever. No! Pam, pam. But it sounds. Why is it sound?
Bum, bum.
Okay, now it's doing. Okay. Bum, bum. Why mine sounds? Why my ukulele makes sounds and yours doesn't?
Because you're pressing it.
Pum, pum.
And then you just have to be ready in your head when you're singing it. So you're like bum 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 bum.
No, we're not there yet. Wait a sec. Dun, dun. We're not that fast yet. Sorry. Make her happy. Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. Boo-doo-boo, boo-doo-doo!
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.